Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, and thank you for coming, Mr. and Mrs. It's an honor to meet you here. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Agus Indra Dharmawan. I'm an Information System Diploma student at Telkom University. So, right now, I'm going to presentation about my final project called Web-Based Application and WhatsApp Gateway Service for monitoring the school student presence at SMA N2 Mojokerto. So before we going to the main presentation, I would like to show you about the highlight of the presentations. First is introduction, second, method of research, the third, review of literature, and the fourth is conclusions. So we're going to introduction here. So the background of my application here. So the massive development of science and technology not only affects to business but also affects to the world of schools, uh, especially on school presence. So the sample of my research is SMA N2 Mojokerto. So right now that they are still doing the presence attendance manually. So there are high chance of corrupting or be such as damaging data or data is lost. So beside that, they are still doing the recording of student attendance by using the lot of paper. So it's wasting of time, I think. And yeah, it costs a lot of time and also money. Yeah. And also parents need to come to school to see their student attendance. Yeah, it's not effective. So best of the problems before, so it needs an app to recording the student presence. So by creating this app, I hope that I expected to have the school to manage their student attendance. So this is the formulation of the problem based of the background. Like I said before, these are the following problems can be formulated. First, how to have the attendance management process students in school. Second, how to have the school and parents to monitoring or reporting the student attendance in real time. So the purpose of my final project is to create an application to management of web-based student attendance and also WhatsApp gateway at SMA N2 Mojokerto. Yeah, I hope by creating this app, it assisting the school in making reports in real time. So there are a limitation of my application. So first, this application only discuss about the management, automatic student, and discuss about the teacher who teach. So the second is this attendance management app includes only 5 categories: attendance, absence, permissions, sickness, and dispensation. So the third, the presence process in this application is carried out once per schedule. So the fourth, while adding a student present has a limitation here. So if the student have a problem, yeah, they must to contact the admin personally. So the fifth, sending attendance message to parents via WhatsApp gateway is only done once. at the end of the learning school, and the user must to connected to internet. So the sixth, the period of making student attendance can be done time per day, per month, per semester, per lesson schedule in formatting as PDF. So the seventh, this application also has import feature to add data teacher and student data automatically. So the type of this file is Excel. So the number eight, this application doesn't discuss about the teacher scheduling, and the last one, this application doesn't discuss about the behavior of the related to file length related to the student attendance problems. So this is my method of research. So in this SDLC model, I use the waterfall model because it matches with my application here. So there are the 5 steps of this waterfall model. So the first one is analysis. So analysis is explaining about the initial needs, some or gathering some information by doing some interview, teachers, schools, parents, and also the students to collect the or processing information into a data. So after gathering some information by doing analysis, and then we're going to the design. In design, I create some mock-up or sketch, and then UML, ARD, business process, and also database that match with the app. So after that, I'm going to the implementation of my application by using software programming. Like example, I'm doing here PHP. So after that, I'm going to testing the apps by using the black box. So the last one is maintenance. After completing the apps, so maintenance is needed to take care of the apps and also know the problem if my application have a problem. So this is my ARD here. As you can see, this is my ARD. I'm sorry for the blurry image, so I cannot explain well about this ARD, but it a lot of table and also relations. So we're going to the implementation application. So this is the UI page of the user admin page and login page. After we login, it will be directed to the home page. So this is the admin and homeroom teacher homepage. So it shows information about the users, total, graph, student total, and information about the absent. So this is the implementation of the WhatsApp gateway. So this is for the parents to know their child in school. So this is the attendance list page. This page shows about the student attendance. So this is the classes list page. So this page shows choosing a class before we adding a presence. So next, this is a page of add attendance page. So there is a date that automatically fills the class information and about the subjects. And then this is the edit attendance. So we shows here as the or log as admin. It shows information about name, class, subjects, and date and information that users input. So this is the daily report. But the format is PDF. So this page shows report attendance monthly. So this is the semester report 10 page. And then it shows about the lesson schedule report page. So we're going to review of literature here. So basically, management is an activity to achieve main goals and objective by using some people around us. So next, students are the member of society that develop itself by learning process through the path, level, and another type of education. So the third is web. Web is computer network uh, collecting the collect the internet data or collecting the text, graphic sounds, or research via the hypertext protocol. And the fourth, attendance is a record of activities every student in school. So the fifth, so WhatsApp is the most popular social media right now because it has a good security, easy UI design, easy to communicate, and also has a good notifications, and also it's more effective. So the last one is gateway. Gateway is a device that is used to connecting one computer to another computer, so can be assigned to other computer networks that are protocol was different. So based on my explanation before, yeah, we can be it can be concluded. So by creating this application, I hope this app can help the student, not only student but also school, to input attendance easily. So yeah, the second, by creating this app, I hope I I can assisting the school in making report student presents. So the last one from the parent perspective, yeah, but I hope I can helping the parents to know their students in the school, so they are need to come to school. So that's it from my presentation about my final project. So I'm sorry if I had some mistake while presenting. Thank you for watching, and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.